Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited today or tonight because we're going to be making smoothie bowls for the very first time, and I love smoothie bowls, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be delicious. We have all the little goodies here, and if you guys are interested in us, Gabby, Brianna's over there. She'll be here in a second. Then keep watching and we'll let you know how it all came out and the things that we used. And if you are a first time visitor, hey girl, what up boo? And welcome back to all of those who have chimed in one video or another. We appreciate you. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing started. You can use different, oh, there's Brianna. You can use different types of ingredients. Today we're going to use two different Greek yogurts. So we have a non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt, which is the Food Line brand, and we're just going to put it in the blender here. Yes, don't drop this stuff. And then we're also going to add some, whoa, wait a minute, where is it?
Why does it look like that at the bottom? Why does it look like that at the bottom?
Because it's yogurt. It's yogurt. Use this. I just told you it's wrong. I don't see it. Here. So we're gonna put the yogurt. Now I did also get some, bring some almond milk over here, just in case we needed to add it to make it a little bit for the consistency. But we're also gonna add dragon fruit, and they're frozen bite-sized cubes. It's 100% fruit, and it's a source of vitamin. So I am excited. I've never used these in a smoothie before, but I do love dragon fruit.
That's one of the most famous.
It smells so good. So we're gonna put some of these in here to make the smoothie. They are frozen.
I'm gonna try.
So
I'm gonna try one.
I've never had them frozen. I do like sweet dragon fruit. So we're gonna put just a couple of these to start with. Did you put all of it in there? What does it taste like? And we're gonna blend this up. Y'all like it sour?
It got a weird taste.
Yeah. Okay, so the girls don't like regular dragon fruit.
No, thank you.
So we're going to add a little bit of almond milk, like I said, just for blending purposes, just a little bit. And then if we need to add more, we will add more.
I don't like it.
So,
No, let me know. Which one?
hold on. What does it say? Milk smoothie. Okay, so we're gonna, you see the extra white stuff, so push that stuff down. Let's see. So yeah, this is a good
It's a
consistency.
pretty color.
So while Gabby is pushing the rest of the yogurt down a little bit, I'm gonna add some honey to the granola. And what I'm gonna do, somebody used all the honey and pretending like they didn't.
I did not.
What I'm gonna do is I'll just add what's left in here because there isn't a lot. So I'll just try to get it in one section so that we all can experience this honeydew. Like it really isn't any in here. So we're gonna open it up, and I thought I had a whole thing. I know I did.
We got some.
It was
We got some KFC honey.
I used some for my butter.
Exactly. You used all of it, Bree. Don't stop trying to tell me you didn't. I know I had at least not quite half, but it was more than this little bit. When you make recipes, you don't have to use the whole container of stuff. And then you didn't even use the
Can I
butter.
lick this?
All right, so we don't have a lot of honey, so I'm just mixing it up in this small corner here, and then yeah, because the honey is what's gonna make it like ooh banger. So we're gonna mix that. Gabby, let's while I'm doing this, we're going to check the consistency. It doesn't matter, we're eating it. Let's see. So this is good. I guess this is good. Unless we want to add some more. We'll just do it for the purpose of this video. We'll go ahead and just use this to make the bowl. Okay, scoop that over there. And we're gonna put it in this bowl right here. Let me transfer this over here so you guys can see.
Can't see it.
And I like these little size containers for the yogurt, although I buy these when I make my daily smoothie, but I like these when I'm doing like a not a smoothie, when I make my yogurt bowl. Like I just put yogurt, apples, cinnamon, granola, and go for it. Or I put yogurt, strawberries, granola, cinnamon, go for it. So just different ways that I like to just use the plain yogurt, and I don't put it in the blender. But if I put it in the blender, I don't want to over put the yogurt, so I always like to do these little containers this size, because I know this is a serving size and I'm not doing too much. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour the yogurt in here. It should be mixed good enough. Hopefully it's thick enough. It's a little, the consistency is just like a smoothie. So that's what this is. It's a smoothie bowl.
Okay, nah.
So we'll put the smoothie here,
Look.
and then we're gonna add the toppings. Which, if you see here, we have a lot of great toppings. So let's go ahead and add the bananas. Oh no, let's add the granola first. So we're gonna mix the granola and honey a little bit more. Right. And we're gonna go ahead and drop the granola in there. What?
Where's Amy? You can make other ones?
I don't know. Probably this might be enough for all of us to enjoy.
It looks like a pink pancake.
So we're just gonna add the granola right on top. Sprinkle that thing around.
That tastes like what's it called?
I'm gonna make one.
And this is the it's honey almond granola. It's baked granola made from a blend of oats, crisp rice, honey, and almonds. So it is. I love this granola. I love granola. Period. I know when I'm on the keto diet, you're not supposed to have you know, this stuff, but sometimes I can't help it, and I do. So this is like probably a lot for most people, but I love granola. So we're gonna put that there. Then now we're gonna add the bananas.
Are you using those as toppings? I thought you were gonna put that in actual smoothie.
You know, it's a smoothie bowl. The smoothie is the base, and the fruit is in the bowl. So we're gonna put the we're gonna put that. Then we're gonna add the strawberries. We also have some. What do we have? Blackberry, raspberries, and blueberries. We probably should have put all of them together instead of, you know how they do. So we're gonna make it fancy for y'all.
I thought you put like banana, strawberry, and all that stuff in there. They have some toppings.
No, that's not what I'm talking about right now. That's not a smoothie bowl, honey.
You make the smoothie.
No, I'm not making a smoothie. I'm making a smoothie bowl. This is a smoothie bowl.
What is this?
Look at this small piece.
All right, so we got some blueberries here.
I'm gonna crush it.
And then we also have some coconut flakes. I love coconut flakes. So we're gonna add some coconut on there. It's gonna be delish. And then we also have some chia seeds, which are a healthy source of fiber. You don't have to eat it if you don't want. Okay. And we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of the chia seeds. And voila.
Ew, what is that?
That's basically it. So we're gonna taste this. So this is
Mom.
woo-hoo-hoo! This is the bowl. Can you guys see
Yeah,
it?
sure.
Can you see it?
We'll show you.
So here is the smoothie bowl up close. It kind of shifted a little bit, but it still looks freaking delish. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. Should have been a little thicker. But the last time I went to the North End smoothie bowl place, it was this consistency.
This is actually good.
Mmm.
But you should try it.
It's so good. Can't even taste the coconut. Girl, bye. Drama. Drama. Mmm. It's actually so good.
The honey granola.
The granola makes it like, oh. The bananas. The strawberries aren't sweet. Get out. But it's so good. So, my recommendation is nothing. I think if the smoothie part was a little bit more chilled, then it will be even better. Maybe I don't know. I like it super cold, and this feels like it's room temperature for some reason. You don't know. I probably could have put more dragon fruit in it to make it more cold. Otherwise,
I got your granola.
otherwise, it's good.
This one,
Mm-hmm.